HUMI AIR is best for your industry, so we're going to talk about our dust collector with a sample of the projects. HUMI AIR dust collectors have many specialties which helps manufacturers to protect their workers and employees from harmful production material. Our dust collector keeps the person free from every unwanted particle. So, now we're going to tell you about our specialty. First of all, we design a dust collector that is highly efficient, rugged, durable, and requires minimal maintenance. Second, in the chamber of the dust collector collects dust solids and dry particles, and the exhaust air is filtered to ensure the surroundings are safe both inside and outside. Third, in every dust collector, we want to give you the best option that meets your industrial requirements and uses space efficiently. Fourth, we served many industries till now, just like in the machine buildings industry, chemicals industry, electromechanical industry, wood industry, automobile industry, spices industry, and many more. So as you understand our specialty, after then you should know about how many types of dust collector is provided by us. In our range, we have the following 4 best types of dust collectors. First, we have a pulse jet dust collector, under which you get 3 types of pulse jet collector. One is a pulse pleat type, the second is a cartridge type, and the last one is a non-woven felt type. Second, we have a mechanical shaking dust collector. Third, we have a manual shaking dust collector. Fourth, we have a cyclone dust collector. All the 4 best reliable for every industry, but the most demanding type of pulse jet dust collector is capable to meet standard requirements in industry. It is also best selling every time in the market by us. But every industry had own requirement. It is true that all of them are very reliable in their own specialty. And in terms of dust collector, HUMIAIR is known for making more reliable and efficient units. As you understand types of dust collector, you should know about more in dust collector specification range, which tailored between this specification. Specification of dust collector which provided by us in market are: first, the capacity, which available in between 1000 cmH to 1 lakh cmH. Second, the range, which available in between 150 mm of water gauge to 700 mm of water gauge. Third, the filter temperature, which handle in between less than 20 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Fourth, the dust load, which handle in between 1 to 300 cubic per hour per square meter. Fifth, the particle size, which handle in between 1 microns to 100 microns. Sixth, the bag cleaning method, which available in 3 methods: first, compressed air; second, mechanical shaking; and third, a manually cleaning method. And the last is the material of construction, available in carbon steel, stainless steel, and mild steel. These all above specification which help you understand how much a dust collector is capable work in working environment. So till now you understand about capabilities and specialty of HUMIAIR dust collector. So you should know about principle of dust collector. You see in diagram red, green and yellow arrow its explanation, how dust collectors flow the dust, then after store the dust and exhaust filter air. As the red arrow showing the multiple collection point where dust collects and flow towards dust collector units. Then yellow arrow point where dust enter dust collector unit, where filter bags separate the air and collect dust in filter bag. And the last green arrow show the purifier air is out for completion of dust collection. Dust collector is very compulsory thing in unhealthy environment because it's dangerous of industry to producing material and product without protecting their workers, employees and the people those living nearby factory. That's the all-over details of dust collector. So, here are some sample photos of how the dust collector looks when it is installed and working. Let's take a look at the dust collector unit first. Here are images that will help you better understand how the finished HUMIAIR product looks and how it is positioned in the factory. The second sample represents the dust collection point of the duct vent and suction system above the machine. So, we demonstrate how a dust collector system is installed with an image of a unit and duct vent showing how collection is done and where it goes. So now what you waiting for and why you compromising your healthy environment? So don't wait, just call us at the phone number or mail at HUMIAIR to 018@gmail.com. We fix your industry air environment according your needs and provide you excellent product with premium service, that's our promise. Thank you watching till end, and I appreciate your interest solving your industry environment. So as you know already, clean working environment is key of company success. I hope we talk soon. Namaste.